Can using baby wipes on the vagina cause irritation or infection?
Hello and welcome to our discussion on an important topic for women's health. Today, we're delving into the question, can using baby wipes on the vagina cause irritation or infection? It's a common practice for many to use baby wipes for personal hygiene, but it's crucial to understand how this might affect our health.
What makes up a baby wipe?
Baby wipes are moist towelettes designed to clean up messes from babies. However, they're not just water and cloth. These wipes contain a variety of ingredients to improve their cleaning effectiveness, provide a pleasant smell, and maintain their moisture. These may include alcohols, fragrances, preservatives, and cleaning agents, among others. Although these ingredients are usually safe for skin contact, it's essential to consider how they interact with the more delicate and sensitive areas of the body.
Can these ingredients cause irritation?
The vagina is a particularly sensitive area with a delicate balance of bacteria known as the vaginal flora. Disrupting this balance can lead to discomfort and even infections. Chemicals like alcohols, fragrances, and preservatives can irritate the skin and potentially disrupt the natural balance of bacteria, especially with regular use. Everyone's body is different, and some people might experience irritation while others do not.
Can baby wipes lead to infections?
In some cases, yes. The chemicals in baby wipes can disrupt the pH balance of the vagina, leading to an overgrowth of certain types of bacteria or yeast. This imbalance can result in conditions like bacterial vaginosis or yeast infections. Additionally, physical irritation from wipes can cause micro tears in the skin, potentially opening the way for pathogens to enter the body.
What's the alternative?
For most women, it's recommended to simply use water and mild, unscented soap for external cleaning. The vagina is self-cleaning and doesn't require harsh chemicals to stay healthy. If you feel the need for wipes, consider one specifically designed for sensitive areas, often termed as feminine wipes. These are usually pH balanced and free from irritants. However, even with these, it's important to monitor how your body reacts. In conclusion, while baby wipes are generally safe for skin, they may cause irritation or infections when used regularly on the vagina due to their chemical composition. It's crucial to pay attention to any changes in your body and seek medical advice if necessary. Remember, everyone's body is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Stay informed and take care of your health.